Greetings from Nova Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Up for sale this 2016 Kia Forte LX. Vehicle's in great shape inside and out. We're going to give it a quick walk around, tell you the condition of the vehicle panel by panel, then we'll take a look at the interior. Okay, we're looking at the front fender. On the driver's side, fender's in great shape, very nice condition. Bumper has a touch up here and some blemish there on the paint. Grill's in good condition. Headlamps are in fair shape. Hood's in great condition. Looks good, very nice. Take a look at the front fender on the passenger side, also great condition, looks good. Front door on the passenger side looks good, clean throughout, very nice. Rear door on the passenger side looks good, clean throughout, very nice. Quarter panel on the passenger side looks good. Rear bumper has some damage on it there, as you can see there. Some other damage there towards the center and on this area there. Lights are in great shape. Trunk lid looks good. Very nice condition. Quarter panel on the driver's side, good condition. Rear door on the driver's side, good condition, very nice. Driver doors in good shape. Does have a couple little chip marks here on the edge, as you can see there. Front fender on the driver's side, good condition, very nice. Windshield's in great shape. Let's have a chip on it right there. Besides that, looks good. Roof's in great condition. Very nice shape overall. Okay, that's going to conclude our walk around for this 2016 Kia Forte LX automatic. Stay tuned, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior and then we'll take it for a test drive. Okay, we're taking a look at the door panel for the driver's side, front door. Driver's side door panel, beautiful condition on the controls. Armrest is in great shape, very nice. Take a look at the driver's seat, beautiful condition throughout, very nice. Steering wheel, dashboard, everything looks really nice on this vehicle, beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side front door panel. Door panel's in great shape, clean throughout, very nice condition. Take a look at the passenger seat. Passenger seat's in great shape, clean throughout, very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver's side rear door panel. Very nice. Armrest is in beautiful condition, clean throughout. Interior's in great shape, very nice. Look at that. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door on the passenger side. Door's in great condition. Rear door panel's in great condition. Look at that, very nice. Rear seats in great shape. Very nice condition overall. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2016 Kia Forte LX. Gonna start it up. Starts up perfect. You can see there all the lights come on and off. Very nice. Looks like we're a little low on fuel here. Besides that, looks good. Mileage is 104,332. Okay, let's take a look at some of the features on this. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Steering radio controls. Cruise control on the steering wheel. It looks like this car might have Bluetooth on it. We'll take a look at that in a moment. Very nice. Control for the wipers. It's got automatic lights. Dashboard's in great condition, very clean. Look at that. Looks really nice throughout. Steering wheel's in great condition. Very nice. So that's the radio right there, very nice. This radio is also cool because it has a backup camera. There you go. You can see the backup camera there when we put it in reverse. AC controls. Very nice. It's got a display up there with the time and the temperature outside. Automatic transmission. It's got a couple USB plugs in there with auxiliary and a couple of auxiliary plugs armrest, sunglass holder, couple courtesy lights on top. Very nice. And it does have Bluetooth for the phone, because it says that there. You gotta pair your phone with that. It has media because it has those connections down there. And the radio, AM, FM, satellite 1, 2, 3. Really nice. Let's go back to setup. Close that. There you go. That's the radio station it's on right now. Very nice. Look at that. Beautiful condition. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to take it for a test drive in a moment. Okay, we're all set to take it for a little test drive. There we go. Drives pretty quick, feels smooth. Very nice, accelerates quick. Test the brakes out now. Stops perfect. Very nice. Really nice drive. Okay, we're going to go ahead and show you the backup camera. Put it in reverse. There you go. Perfect. Backed right up. Okay, that's going to conclude our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine compartment and take a look at those tires. Take a look at the cargo area in the back. Good shape overall. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in great shape. Very nice condition. Really in great shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Tire looks good. Rim is clean and in great shape. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. On the driver's side, tire's in fair condition. Rim is clean and in great shape. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. On the passenger side, tire's in fair condition. Rim is clean and in great shape. Very nice. Passenger side, tire's in great shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2016 Kia Forte LX. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046. Thanks for watching.